Cleaning can feel like a chore, especially when you're dealing with cords that get in the way. Cordless vacuums make things a lot easier, but not all of them are worth the money. I have listed the best 5 cordless vacuums that actually get the job done without any hassle. These picks are reliable, easy to use, and make daily cleaning more manageable. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Eureka Cordless Vacuum. For those looking for an effective and affordable cordless vacuum, this is a solid choice. It delivers 20.3 kilopascal of suction power thanks to its high-efficiency BLDC motor, making it strong enough for hard floors, tiles, and even low-pile carpets. With a detachable lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 50 minutes of runtime on mid-mode and 15 minutes on high mode. It's ideal for medium to large areas and supports extended cleaning with an optional second battery. Despite the powerful performance, it weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it easy to carry upstairs or move between rooms. This vacuum is also pet-friendly, with a tangle-resistant brush and good airflow for picking up hair without clogging. Its 5-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 micrometers, which is great for allergy-prone homes. You can easily convert it into a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, upholstery, or tight corners. It also runs quietly, so it won't disturb others while you clean. For its price range, the Eureka offers excellent suction, decent battery life, and useful features without cutting corners. Number 4. TINOI Floor 5. This is the most versatile vacuum on this list because it doesn't just vacuum, it also mops at the same time. Whether you're dealing with wet spills or dry debris, this cordless vacuum can handle it all in one pass. It comes with a dual tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring you're always mopping with fresh water. The flat scraper keeps the roller clean while working, and once you're done, the self-cleaning system takes care of the internal tubing and roller with just the push of a button, keeping maintenance simple and hands-free. The vacuum provides up to 35 minutes of runtime, and with larger water tanks compared to previous models, you can cover more ground without frequent refills. Its enhanced edge cleaning lets you reach tight corners and baseboards as narrow as 0.20 inches, something many vacuums struggle with. It's designed for sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate, making it a great choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. If your floors see both dry dust and sticky messes regularly, this makes your cleaning routine easier and faster. Number 3. Dyson V8 Plus. This is a great option if you're looking for a powerful cordless vacuum that's also incredibly light. Weighing only 2.6 kilograms, it's very easy to handle and perfect for both quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. What sets this apart is its motor bar cleaner head and hair screw tool, which are great for removing long hair and pet hair without tangling. You also get up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction, with 2 different power modes to suit various cleaning needs. For tougher messes, switch to max mode to get a burst of extra suction. This also includes multiple attachments like a crevice tool, mini soft dusting brush, and motorized brush head, allowing you to clean floors, ceilings, upholstery, and even your car. It easily converts into a handheld vacuum, making it one of the most flexible options on this list. The built-in HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns, helping improve air quality as you clean. With Dyson's strong build quality and a 2-year warranty, the V8 Plus is a reliable and efficient choice for those who want power without the weight. Number 2. Bissell CleanView XR. This one stands out when it comes to tackling stubborn pet hair. It's designed with a deep cleaning fur brush that picks up pet hair from furniture, stairs, and even car seats. The brand also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so every purchase helps pets in need. This vacuum runs on a 24V Max lithium-ion battery that offers up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning, allowing you to move freely without being tied to a power outlet. It also features 3 cleaning modes, so you can adjust the power based on your cleaning task. Weighing just 5.9 pounds, it's easy to carry around the house. The lightweight design doesn't compromise performance either. It boasts a motor that's 60% more powerful than the Shark 9141, delivering deeper and more effective cleaning on all floor types. Included accessories like a dusting brush, crevice tool, and tool clip make it versatile for different surfaces and tight spaces. If your main concern is battling pet hair while still wanting a cordless and easy-to-use vacuum, this is the one to go for. Number 1. Shark Clean and Empty. If you're looking for a vacuum that does everything right, this easily takes the best overall trophy. This cordless vacuum stands out with its automatic charging and self-emptying base, which means no more handling dust bins manually. Once you return it to its dock, it empties itself, keeping your hands clean and air dust-free. What makes it more impressive is the HEPA filtration system combined with anti-allergen complete seal technology, which traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent option for people with allergies or pets. Its motorized hand tool works exceptionally well on furniture and stairs, giving strong suction in handheld mode. Despite its features, the vacuum is still lightweight and easy to maneuver. It also automatically adjusts to different surfaces, so you get optimal cleaning whether you're on carpets or hard floors. LED headlights help spot hidden dirt, and the quiet mode lets it recharge without making noise. You also get up to 40 minutes of runtime, enough to deep clean most homes. Overall, this vacuum blends power, convenience, and health-focused features, making it a smart all-round choice for modern households. No more dragging cords or wrestling with bulky machines. These top 5 cordless vacuums prove that powerful cleaning can be hassle-free. Whether you're tackling pet hair, crumbs, or deep carpet messes, each of these picks delivers real performance where it counts. To grab the latest deals on all the models we covered, make sure to check out the links in the description for the most up-to-date prices. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow clean freaks, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest tips, reviews, and smart home finds.